Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about one common mistake that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, if you want to see how to test car batteries, stay with us. We'll explain, guys, how to do that step by step. Common mistakes people make when testing the car battery, assuming that's good, and actually it's a bad battery that can cost you quite a bit of damage to your vehicle. You may spend up thousands of dollars in repairs you don't need. Make sure you stay in the end. We'll explain, guys, what we're talking about. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. We take almost every car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on it. We work on transmissions, engines, fuses, relays, codes, almost anything you can think of. And if you guys need to buy parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll share the information in the video for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So guys, how do you test car battery? Now, the car battery, guys, okay, the best way to test your car battery on a car is to remove it out of the vehicle, but you don't have to. You can actually do it in the vehicle with these modern testers. Now, most people will get a voltmeter. When they get a voltmeter, they check the battery, but big mistake, guys. Weak battery can cause multiple problems in your vehicle. For instance, you may have problems such as engine light, transmission light, power steering warning, especially those new electric power steering components. Also having hard shifts, not shifting, problems with transmission, multiple things can be caused by a weak battery. Now, we want to show you guys, okay, first how we're going to test it here, okay, in that BMW. Okay, here we have that battery that's installed, it's in the trunk, and I want to show you now, okay, the voltage in that battery, and check it out, what this one states, okay, 12.3. Okay, it's a little bit lower, the car is unlocked, all the systems are awake, all the computers, so of course that will affect, okay, the voltage. So that's why it's really good to remove the battery, but never rely on voltage itself, and we'll explain why in just a little bit, guys. We're going to hook up a battery tester, which is very inexpensive, and we're going to put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. For instance, this one says, okay, let's see now, battery test. AGM flat plate, ours is at 900 cold cranking amps. So we're going to set that, and it's testing now. Check the results, guys. Okay, what we are going to get now. Working on it, you can see, and what we have here, good charging. Okay, it just says charge, good battery, 715 cold cranking amps out of 900. So this is a good battery. The health right now it's at 63 and the charge is at 40%. So this is a good battery, guys. But if we come right here, okay, I want to demonstrate another one that we have. Check this thing out now. This battery, okay, actually has even better voltage. Check this thing out. 12.6, right? 12.63, this is amazing voltage. You automatically think you have a good battery. You leave it in the car, you start having all kind of warnings, electrical issues, you start spending thousands of dollars to fix it, when all you have to do, get a good battery tester, hook it up, okay, and this one specifically it's 800 cold cranking amp battery. We're going to go ahead, test it, and you're going to see, even though the voltage is higher, that does not mean anything. You need to just check the condition of the battery. It says bad battery, 121 cold cranking amps out of 800, state of health 2%, and charge is at 93%. So this battery is definitely short, guys. So that's the correct way to test the battery. Even you can do a crank test, okay, with that device, and test the cranking power of the battery, which is very good. It will tell you how much the voltage drops while the car is cranking, which is not very complicated. You just follow the procedures, guys, and the menu here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.